Hello all, I am Dr. Sai Sahitya, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Civil Engineering at VIGNANA JYOTHI Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. Today I am here to discuss some topics in the subject Transportation Engineering. I welcome you all for this presentation. My topic for today's presentation is like highway planning and development. First of all, the main definition or purpose of transportation is like transporting passengers and goods from one place to the other. And people will be traveling from one place to the other as an act of transportation. The most important parameter that is required for us in the transportation is like a path or a way. It has 4 ways. Generally, we follow 4 ways of transportation like road, rail, water and air. These connects 2 points with different modes of transportation. And all this group of roads will form a road network. So this network is important for us to act as a transportation. Then coming to the importance of transportation, without transportation, there is lot of disturbances happening. So proper transportation is required for smooth movement of people and goods. This ensures or this gives us better economic stability of the country. And larger network of road provides better access and opportunities to all sections of people, because we will go to the jobs, we will go to the education systems, and all these will be connected with transportation. This better road infrastructure ensures lesser accidents. If we have good infrastructure, we will have less accidents and fatalities. A better social security to the people in all sections. Like if we have any emergency health issues, we can properly go. If we have proper transportation, we will go to better hospitals immediately and get good access. So India, being highly diverse country, will have a better exposure to all the cultures from all parts of the country. So these cultures will be developed with transportation connecting all the parts of the country. Then this transportation has a very important role in the development of the country. It helps in developing the economy properly, like value of goods, standard of living, etc. And industry. If there is proper transportation in the country or in a particular locality, there will be more industries and easy for production and distribution of the things. Cultural heritage will be improved. More jobs will be created because of transportation, and more emergency movements will be there, as I already discussed, like hospitals and all. Then it will give a value to the country. So population decentralization will happen because of the transportation in the country. Population decentralization is nothing but if there is no proper transportation, all people will stay in one part of the country or city. If there is proper transportation, people will be distributed, so there will be population decentralization. Next topic coming is like history of development of roads. How roads has been developed from ancient times to the modern times. This is what we want to understand in this topic. Like the development of roads happened like this. First we have ancient roads, Roman roads, French roads, British roads, and then modern roads. First, coming to the ancient roads, we all know that the people used to travel previously in ancient times with foot only. There are no proper roads or proper vehicles or proper goods transportation. Anything is not there. Only through foot only people used to travel. Invention of wheel led to the development of animal drawn vehicles. Then people started to invent wheels which helped in animal drawn vehicles. After the invention of the wheel, animal drawn vehicles were developed and the need for hard surface road emerged. So the oldest mode of travel was on footpaths. If you can see this, there is no proper road or proper vehicles. Anything is not there. Proper path is not there. People used to travel like this. Then transportation in olden days used to be like this, like over men and animals. They used to transport on animals. They used to travel by walk. Then came the Roman roads. After the ancient roads, they started Roman roads. In the Roman period, they started road construction. Earliest large-scale road construction is attributed to the Romans. Fundamentals of good road construction were to provide good drainage, good material, and good workmanship. Romans concentrated on good drainage, good material, and good workmanship. These three are the important factors of the Roman roads. Next, coming to the Roman roads, if we can see these roads, these are like this. There are hard stone blocks they have put, they laid the path with the hard stone blocks. All these are the examples of the Roman roads. Next came the French roads. The next major development in the road construction occurred during the regime of Napoleon. We all know in the history, like Napoleon is a famous historic leader. He developed a cheaper method of construction than the lavish and locally unsuccessful revival of Roman practice. Quarried stone and smaller pieces of broken stones were used as a French roads. In French roads, the trussagat construction is the famous construction in which drainage and lesser thickness of road are the important features. If we can see drainage and lesser thickness, these are the lesser thickness of roads are the important features of this. Gaps are filled with the broken stones and large foundation stones are laid in the sides. If we can see this figure, large stones are filled in the sides and broken stones are filled in the middle. So this is the trussagat construction principle. Next, coming to the British roads. They have three types of British roads. After the Roman roads and after the French roads, British people came to our country and they started construction of roads. There are three types of roads like Metcalfe construction, Telford construction and Macadam construction. In Metcalfe construction, he was responsible for road construction of around 290 kilometers in northern region of England. He insisted on good drainage and good foundation for road. Next came the Telford construction. If we can see, more thicker stones are in center and lesser thicker towards the edge. These are the founder of Institute of Civil Engineers in London. A top layer was constructed with gravel which was maintained with a slope of 1:45. Next came the Macadam construction. This is the most important and scientific road construction method which we are still following all over the world. See, this is Macadam has implemented the stone size was an important element in Macadam recipe. He created this most scientific method of road construction. First, he was the first person to think in scientific way of load distribution. This Macadam construction was mainly based on the load distribution of the road. Load distribution will happen in layers of the road. So this is the most important feature of this Macadam construction. Road is constructed in layers and load is distributed in that layers. That is the most important thing. Better performance of roads than all other methods is seen in Macadam construction, and we are still following the Macadam construction only as a scientific method in construction of roads. Subgrade to be compacted. Above its layers were smaller broken stones and compacted. If we can see, after the Macadam construction, following the Macadam construction, we built all the modern roads, and the modern roads by and large in everywhere follow Macadam's construction method only. So use of bituminous concrete and cement concrete are the most important developments. If we can see, the most of our roads in India are like bituminous concrete and cement concrete roads. Okay, the scope of transportation system have developed very largely because of the modern roads. The need for travel to various places at faster speed also increased. So this increasing demand led to the emergence of other modes of transportation like railways and travel by air. See, if we can see the four important modern roads, like one is waterbound macadam, bituminous macadam, concrete roads and soil stabilized roads. These are the four modern roads which we are following in the country. If we can see these figures, the first one shows the bituminous macadam road which is laid of bituminous concrete. Next, waterbound macadam road which is waterbound, or earthen road which is also called as, generally we can see it in the villages. Then it is third one is like concrete roads. Concrete roads is the most recent development in the road technology. The cement concrete pavement which has a lifespan of nearly 30 to 40 years, and it is, the initial cost may be high but it has long lifespan and durability of the road, and it has more strength also. Okay, the last one is soil stabilized roads. We can see in the villages, like still there is no proper paved surface on the roads. These are the four types of roads which we are generally following in the road construction. After this, we will move to the highway development in India. Next, how the development of highways has been done in India. The entire highway or national highways, state highways, they are not developed or constructed in a particular day or a particular year or a particular night. It has took lot of years to come to this stage for highway development. So starting from 1927, the highways construction started in India. Coming to JYOTHI committee, these are the important landmarks of, if we can see the slide, there are the important landmarks of highway development. Like first one is the JYOTHI committee, Central Road Fund, Indian Road Congress, Motor Vehicles Act in 1939, Nagpur Road Plan in 1943, and Central Road Research Institute, second 20-year road development plan, third 20-year road development plan, National Highway of Authority in India 1988, National Highway Development Project 1998, PMGSY like Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana in 2001. Each one of this will be discussed. Let us go into deep. First one is JYOTHI committee recommendations. First, the initial highway construction started with with the initiative of Mr. M.R. Jaikar, who is the chairman of who was the chairman of the Road Development Committee, and this started in 1927. He was the member in the improvement and monitoring of roads. He gave some recommendations like, if we can see, the road development should be prioritized and considered as a national interest. So this till then was not considered as a national interest, road development. After the Jaikar committee's recommendation, it was the first recommendation that it should be considered as a national interest. Then how to get money for construction of road. An extra tax should be laid on the petrol towards Central Road Research Fund like CRF. It should be collected. That is the second recommendation given. And who will monitor all this? The third one is his recommendation is like semi-official technical committee for better research and advancements in road infrastructure should be done. As per the instructions, the CRF was formed in 1929. Indian Road Congress was formed in 1934 and Central Road Research Institute CRRI was formed in 1950. What was the recommendation of Jaikar Committee? A semi-official technical body should be there for research and advancements. See, the highway construction started in 1927, but it has lot of research till now. So that research and all the developments, technicalities should be discussed in a technical committee. So that committee recommended by Jaikar Committee was formed as Indian Road Congress, which gives us all the codes in 1934, and a Central Road Research Institute, which is an organization which will take care of all these things in 1950. Next, coming to the Indian Road Congress 1934, this was formed from the recommendations of Jaikar Committee. It publishes various codes. This IRC has the duty of publishing various codes standardizing the specifications based on the demands, based on the materials available, based on the things, and based on the safety. Based on the safety of the users, this will give you more specifications. IRC provided a platform to present technical opinions for professionals around the country and globe. All the people around the country and globe will follow this, will come here and discuss. They can discuss on the opinions. They can give their opinions. IRC still exists. Until now it is existing and it works closely with the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Next came the Motor Vehicle Act 1939. This was formed to regulate the motor traffic with a set of rules. We all know about licensing of the motor vehicles, control of motor vehicles through permits, special provisions. All these regulations were given in 1939 Motor Vehicle Act. Next came the road development plans. Here the highway construction started with 3 road development plans like Nagpur Road Plan, Bombay Road Plan and Lucknow Road Plan. Okay, there are 3 20-year road plans. Total it is a span of 60 years for the construction of basic road structure or national highways in India. First 20-year road plan was given by Nagpur Road Plan in 1943 to 1963. They have kept a target of 16 kilometer stretch in 100 square kilometers of land. For every 100 square kilometers of land, they started constructing 60 kilometers of road stretch, and this completed in 18 years itself by 1961. Okay, by 1961, then CRRI was formed in 1950. CRRI still exists and stands strong in the heart of Delhi, Central Road Research Institute. Then, after this, National Highway Act came in between like 1956. This National Highway Act says us that the responsibility of development and maintenance of National Highway lies completely with the central government. The entire process of this National Highways construction and maintenance and operation will be dealing with the central government only. Then after this, after first 20-year road plan, we came to the second 20-year road plan, that is 1961 to 1981. That is also called as Bombay Road Plan. The first one is Nagpur Road Plan. The second one is Bombay Road Plan. As we know, the target of Nagpur Road Plan was 16 kilometers for every 100 square kilometers of area. Here, if we can look, it is 32 kilometers per 100 square kilometers of area. And in this second 20-year road plan or Bombay Road Plan, they have an important addition like construction of 1600 kilometers expressways also along with the national highways. Okay, this target was completed by 1981 and they entered into third 20-year road plan. See, 1981 to 2001. This is also called as Lucknow Road Plan. Here the target is 82 kilometers for every 100 square kilometers of area. Okay, the expressways of construction is of about 2000 kilometers in the road. Expressways is of about 2000 kilometers. If we can observe, they started with 16 kilometers, next 32 kilometers in second 20-year road plan and 82 kilometers in the third 20-year road plan. In the same way, they started construction of expressways also like 1600 kilometers in the second 20-year plan and 2000 kilometers in the third 20-year plan. Next came the National Highway Authority of India. Established in 1988, became operational. This became operational in 1995. This National Highway Authority of India will look after the development, maintenance and operation of national highways. After the construction, we need to maintain operation, how the operations are going on. So this National Highway Authority of India will look after all these things. Then National Highway Development Program is one of the programs which focuses on developing international standard roads with facilities for uninterrupted flow of traffic. Okay. Next came the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. This is nothing but they have to, their important agenda of this is to connect all the villages with the main important national highways. They've already constructed the national highways, so they want to merge villages. Accessibility has to be increased. Okay. Thank you.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe VNR Digital Learning Resource YouTube channel.